So we have 4 lanes of Highway 66. It's right when you walk into the door. It's very visible. People look at it and they say, oh, that's kids bowling. And we have to explain to them that no, moms, dads, grandmas, grandpas, anybody can play that bowling. And it's really neat because it still provides you the bowling aspect without the younger kids and the smaller kids having to struggle with a big bowling ball. If people don't want to do traditional bowling, but they want a bowling experience and they don't want to have to deal with the shoes or the holes in the balls or the heaviness, Highway 66 gives them an opportunity to still have that bowling experience, have high scores, and have fun and be interactive. Very positively. It's one of our best-selling aspects for our birthday parties, because smaller kids can come in and enjoy it. And parents, if you've ever been a parent and watch a 3, 4, 5, 6-year-old throw a ball down a lane on a bumper and you watch it go and go and you try and keep 9 or 10 kids occupied on the back of the lane in the settee area, it's painful, right? So Highway 66 provides us an opportunity to get through those kids a little faster, keep them all entertained faster, and it takes the burden off the parents a little bit to have to keep them entertained on a large bowling scale. And I love the small footprint. I love the ability that people can come in and just throw some quick games on it. I got people that have come in and spent 3 hours on there because it's just so much fun, because it's so different. Absolutely. If you have a large party room and you want to transform it into a Highway 66 room, you actually can do that very easily, because that footprint is so small. The maintenance, ease of use is really, really neat. It's just something that I don't think a center should be without, quite honestly.